Presented by Austin Thomas going on at the 10,000 yards. Regional Moses qualification match number 35. These are the wonderful ones. Really the Thomas period. Blue Alliance Self-Zero Robotics went out to the neutral zone and picked up a whole bunch of studio. Blue Alliance with a slight lead. Red Alliance will get the first shift with an active run. Launch it on a 5, and now Red Alliance has the active run. 78-55 robots the machine out of King Rapids. And here comes the 9-26. The Capitals shooting, scoring into that active run. Red Alliance has overtaken the lead. Blue Alliance now has their active, Red Alliance robot caught on the bump. See if they can get this competition going on there. Blue Alliance robot company getting unstuck. Red Alliance back in control of their active run. Blue Alliance did pull out ahead. Now Red Alliance is in the lead for this match number 35 here at 10K. Red Alliance well on their way to achieving that extra ranking point. From the 35 points, Blue Alliance active run now for them. Blue Alliance catching up and maybe taking over the lead. And 45 points to get that extra ranking point. And the meantime, Red Alliance and Blue Alliance going to their new players, Thompson in. Red Alliance also tossing in. Red Alliance still needs 14 more points scored to get that extra ranking point. Can they do it? Being defended by the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance runs it out time. Somewhat close match. Next to the 35, stand by for the official score.
Dùng xe đẹp tiền. Một tàu này, ba tàu xíu là ba này, xe đẹp tiền. Con ngheยังchơi được bé ta sẽ dạy cao.
Drivers behind the line against action 3, 2, 1, go!
Para que la bola para cái đài luôn cái đài Lào luôn, nó mới một Lào luôn. Ini kalau khóc cái thế nó còn ai chụp qua cái chụp qua thì chụp qua cái chụp qua đó phải bắt chụp qua cái chụp他是真知道，他是怎么抬，他也不会抬。
Then our first player. Their life flash exported to Robotics with Holy Family Catholic High School in Victoria. And our last team is DNA. High School.
Tôi sai cho nó này cái này cho chỉ qua cho mấy nguồn thế này có chỉ cho tôi trong cái này cái chồng nó kiểu mà lo nhiều nhiều thì nó sẽ chỉ nó bị tua cái chồng mình cả tôi trong cái này ta sẽ công bố hết rồi
Let's Alliance are meeting here again.
그 하이스쿨에 또 어떤 나타나시 이렇게 다시 또 하다 하스를 하지 않을 수 있는 내가 내가 줄 건.
Ranking points, winning, and football night got that energized. Ranking points score more than 100 people in their active halls.
Ticket number
467-445.
tenemos todavía
Given to team 21. So, if you are
cái phát động nó còn nó còn kia nó chỉ có ba qua sao kiểu như á
2181, please stop by the telephone to pick up your prize. Joining them, 75-30, Raiders of the Lost Fork, the Watertown Mayor High School in Watertown.
38-71.
Steve Trojan Robotics, the Worthington High School in Worthington.
Popping back over to our blue lines, we're going to start off with 37-45.
Governors, the Johnson High School, St. Paul.
In center blue, 45-39. And with a flag that will take flight, 25-31.
Robohawks, the Chaska High School in Chaska.
2, 1, go.
Match 39 underway. Robots moving out to the main field. They're scoring goals on the Alliance.
မလို့အခုတော့ဖြစ်သွားတာ
Meanwhile, chicken out five, the right field, corner of the field, and looking to score it on in. The Rays 71 getting the field from the outpost. And line up to the either shooter power and working up in. All of that goes to the something in full for their Lions. Field scoring from Miller and they're in the player station. They'll have to get a little offensive control if they want to protect their work out at this point. But now they come to the blue front line. They get a few more.
အဆရာမလို့တော့ဟာဆိုတော့ချာတာဆိုတော့
And as I said, they've got to get into the regular cycle. And it looks like 45-49 chaos. They got some great robots, but that's not an issue for Chicken Box tonight. As they were able to continue to score. That looks like they're able to knock off early. Now the blue line getting that opportunity to score. But it looks like
အဲ့ဒီမျိုးခါလုံးကိုသိရမှာဘာလို့ကိုတော့နာ
But it's not an issue for these two players as they continue to make those throws into the zone. During the end of the year, the blue line can score 10 seconds remaining.
One, go.
And the Devils on the place, Rainbow, this is the 40th win in the qualification. Robots are the best in this league. The Players scoring is definitely to be critical for the Devils. 5 seconds remaining in the Blue Lions currently carrying the lead by about 10 or 11 points. That one at the end of the tournament. As Riders take control of the robots. 25-30, you can see them driving
အပါတော့ထားချတာပါနော်
The two girls will be into the and now the Rise had their opportunity to continue scoring for the next 25 seconds here. It looks like 38 is going into the they fertilize. Inconceivably stuck on the goal line. Maybe one of their line players can go and find a way get them unstuck. 32-25 looks like they're going to push 25-30, but are about to get stuck themselves. They're going to 25-30. And almost off the stretch. It's 25-30 has really got its way up and on the rolling back to their side of the field. Hopefully to score that fuel under us. And now 2 minutes to go again. Only a few seconds. After Red Lions is turned in, continue scoring. Red Lions might be able to catch up too, but the Blue Lions scorers here. 42-30 to line up their shooter. So is 38-80. And even players are making well shots. Well. 42-30, they kept their shooter dialed in. They set up their place. Look like they can make play the center of the field here. And it looks like the Blue Lions will continue to score from holding move up and
เขาเรียกใจโอ้เขาเรียกจอดรถไฟดูโอ้เจ้าเลย
as we enter the last 30 seconds remaining here. Hold on correct. The Blue
อะไร
Lions
โลมันต่อไปโล
ranking top for score over 100 goals to the hub.
เขาเรียกกด
38-80. Into the Rollins. And Inconceivably also scoring into their net.
scores are due.
Pulls away, blue to line 3. That's 67 to 66. Blue Lions will roll away with 4 breaking points. 3 for winning, and the Energizer breaking point.
Three, two, one, go.
Even more Hunter will get the other play to the next 41. And the offensive player now score. Next goal. And that's the end of the final, and the Brewers take control. Looks like this first shift will have the Blue Lions on back base.
오늘 저 저기도 이놈아 쿵 뛰어오구나. Aliás, 오늘 저 저기도 이런 로켓 섞어와 바왔다 이거 하는 다 섞어 하는 cái tôi rong có là cái tôi rong đó phải tao luôn lúc là phải tao luôn
Match number 41.